Have you ever wondered why some plants stay completely pest-free while others are constantly attacked? Today, I'll show you a simple two-step natural spray that helps protect plants from aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs, and many other common garden pests. Start with 1 liter of water. Add 1 dessert spoon of garlic powder. As you add it, garlic releases natural sulfur compounds that help repel many insects and make plants less attractive to pests. Next, add 1 spoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains natural antifungal properties and helps create an environment where pests and harmful organisms struggle to thrive. As you stir, the water will slowly change color. Keep mixing well so the beneficial compounds from both ingredients blend into the water. Then strain the mixture through a cloth, keeping only the liquid part. This helps prevent sprayer blockages and creates a smooth solution for application. Now for the second step. Add 60 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar helps create conditions that many pests dislike. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The oil helps the spray stick to leaves longer, increasing its effectiveness. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps the mixture spread evenly across leaf surfaces and improves contact with insects. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Apply it early in the morning or late afternoon. Spray both the top and underside of leaves where pests often hide. Also spray stems, especially if aphids are present. For active pest problems, spray daily until pests disappear. For prevention, spray once a week. A light spray around the upper soil surface can also help discourage insects that move between the soil and the plant. Give this natural spray a try and watch your plant stay cleaner, healthier, and better protected. Happy gardening!